All right, if you have been wanting to invest in Abuja and you have been looking for an affordable places that you can invest in as a broker or as a developer, I have a great news for you. Please come closer. Now, you will agree with me that this here, we have the airport road. Now, this road is actually one of the most important road in Abuja, where every dignitary that comes into Abuja will definitely go through this road coming from abroad, right? Because we have the airport here. So that makes this road a very important road, right? Now, if that is correct, you agree with me that we have the aviation village here. There is a settlement here called the Kiami. Now, Kiami is one of the affordable places you can get land as of today in January 2025. But the good news is this place is still very much affordable. It's one of the most affordable places you can get in Abuja in 2025. But I will tell you for a fact that the demand for this place is going to be extremely high, and the cost of land here is going to be extremely high, and it's no longer going to be one of the affordable places you can get in Abuja, and I will tell you why. Here we have the Centenary City here. Now, in this Centenary City, we are going to be having the tallest building in West Africa. So that makes this place a very important place. Here is going to be the Dubai of West Africa, right? Now, if that is correct, now here we are going to be having we have Idu along this axis, and we have the Idu train station. You agree with me that the train is the most safest means of transportation right now, is the train, right? So this here to this place, from Kiami to Idu should be about 10 minutes drive. But then there is some little obstruction here, because from here to this point the road is still very okay. We have an existing road here, also from here down to this point. But in between the Kiami and Idu, some part of this road is actually not okay. But then there is a proposal that this road is going to be completed and it will be expanded. So there is going to be an expansion of this road. Now, if that is correct, what that means is that here we are going to be having a high demand along this axis in the next 3 to 5 years. Here we have Lugbe. We have our Lugbe here. We have the city gate here. Along this axis, we have the Kogoma. Here we have the central area. Here we have the area 1, and then we have the Asoko, right? So if that is correct, what that means is that there is a massive shift development going along this direction. So every other settlement that is going to be around this area is going to be very high in the next 3 to 5 years. So if you are looking forward to investing your money into real estate in Abuja, this is one of the best place that I can advise you to invest. And then the good news is that we have an estate here which is called the Panach Smart City around this axis. You can do well to contact me on the numbers on this video, or go down below the description of this video. You will find my contacts. You can contact me and we can continue from there. So this is one of the best places you can invest right now in Abuja as we speak. But before I forget, you know, we have the Kuje around this axis too as well, right? Here we have around Jabi, Utaku, maybe Life Camp and the likes, right? So if that is correct, because of the kind of infrastructure that we are having here and what is also going to come around here, this axis, Wike himself specifically said they will provide enough access road around the settlement of this airport area, right? And mind you, if this road is expanded, from a drive down from this airport to Idu train station will be about maybe 20 minutes. Now you can also move from Idu to town easily, right? So what that means is that this place now is going to be of very high demand, right? And when the demand is higher than the supply by default, right, this place is going to become very expensive. So the best time to invest is now. So you invest around anywhere around this axis to some part of Lugbe here, Kiami. We still have an estate around here. I'm going to talk about that just immediately around this centenary city that you should invest on. I'm going to talk more on that in my next video. So, but before I forget, make sure that you contact me if you are interested in investing around this axis. I will do well to guide you on that.